right, guys, I'm going to do it. I found a tutorial on YouTube on how to trim split ends. I have very straight hair, so this could be a monumental disaster, but I've got the equipment. I've got the comb, the skinny comb, and I've got the professional scissors. So, Kev's currently filming it, which is great. Now, the idea is that you just trim, it's just trimming the split ends. I'm not doing like a proper cut. So I've got room for error. So apparently what you do is you just hold it. It's actually pretty uneven, my hair at the moment anyway, which is fine. But you cut it at the angle. And see how it's, hers also did that. See how it's like sort of longer on the one side. So here goes nothing. Did that work? That worked. Okay, then I'm going to get the comb and move along. Doesn't even look like a cut much, does it? Give it a shot. Where did I even cut that? Diane, my hairdresser, is probably going to have a heart attack when I come back out of isolation. Does it even look like I cut anything? Maybe? Do you think? Potentially? All right, let's give it another whirl. What could go wrong, right? All right, let's try this. I'm being, as you can see, quite conservative. Hopefully there's room for error. It's actually quite hard to do this. Oh wait, I've got it. I wonder if I should just look at it rather than trying to do it in the mirror. Let's try that. Because she said to do it in the mirror, but it's not really working very well. Oh, but when I look down, it changes the angle of the hair, doesn't it? So that's why she used the mirror. All right, let's just give this a whirl. I think this is going to be a dog's breakfast, quite frankly, but at least I'm cutting the split ends. It's all different lengths. Oh my goodness. That's okay though, actually. All right, shall we try the other side? It's a bit shorter, isn't it? That one's a bit shorter there. What do you think? Interesting. I think Kev's going to be doing a lot of trimming at the back to get it all even, right? I think that's what's going to happen. All right, let's see. So if I do that, and then look, maybe like that. Let's try that. Okay, and do the next one. Need to take smaller bits. Yeah, all right. I think if I take this like that, I can see where I have cut it. Yep. Okay, move along. Take the next bit. No, don't pull it once it's tight. Then, okay. I don't really know. Not happy with that one. Let's try that again. Okay. See, it doesn't look like I've cut anything now. We'll just do that. Okay. Okay, so are they even?
4 minutes 30.
That's okay, we can edit it. I think I'll just tidy up this one. You know what? I'm not too unhappy with that.
Evidence.
Evidence. All right, so now the fun bits. This is the bit that I've always done when I was little, but I don't have much hair anyway, which is ridiculous. I used to have more of a fringe. But this bit's easy. This you just take to the top, and then you just trim the top off, and then it falls. Actually, I've got a lot of regrowth. That's always helpful. You just cut that off. So that I'm not too worried about, because that's just that bit. But now let's just see. Kev, have a look at the back, see if you need to trim anything or if it looks fairly blocky. Or if I fucked up completely. What do you reckon?
Can't see a thing.
You can't see a thing. Oops.
Just lay it down.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it. I might have to do this again in a month. Is it pretty even or does it look shit?
I think that looks fine. But we can put it out to the people.